Just a little bit. Okay, stop the. Yeah.
Nâng cái mông lên đi chị.
Okay, it's okay. You can go in.
Nâng cái mông lên chị chút xíu thôi. Ok, em
Okay. All right. So I want you to do it now. I will watch. So.
What to do, huh?
Okay. Maybe you need to get the fundus. So good. Yeah. I would not too much. Yeah. So you can see the fundus. I will do like this. Smaller. But we want to see the fundus here. So let me see.
Để cái mông lên chút xíu nữa em.
How can you? The depth is not working. Okay, this is perfect. Okay. So, yeah. So first, we get the 3D. No, do 3D, not 4D. Okay. So you have to have this, including the fundus and the cervix, and you can change from here if you need to. And then, perfect. And the volume is always 120 when you do transvaginal. Okay. So you can acquire and you stay still. And I always look during the acquisition. You see now parasagittal, sagittal, and to make sure, especially when you have didelphys, to make sure that you have everything. You see all the uterus is here within the ovary. Okay. All right. So now multiplanar A. You put this to the fundus. And you make it flat, 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 flat. This is called the Z technique. I published this in like 15 years ago. You make it flat. Okay.
Thôi chắc đủ rồi.
B. You see how B is now like this? So we make it flat. Z, 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 Z. Here you go. Looking beautiful. See how easy? Make it flat right here. And this is the mid coronal plane. Okay. So you see the serosal surface is normal.
Straight.
The fundus is straight.
Okay.
So we go to C.
C.
One.
Rotate.
Rotate. And then if you want to put in the middle, you can change on top here. And then you put in the middle, and then you can change back and put this in the middle. Okay? Serosal surface is nice and intact. The endometrial surface, this is where the tubes are attached, and this is the lower segment. Okay, cervix is here. So now that we have this, let's do the render. So you go back to these to see the three.
Render.
Now you get the box. It's already on top. It's fine. So you make it go to A. Make it very tiny. So you change from the top. Small, 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 small. Yeah, and probably put it right on top in the middle. So you see, I am cut here. Why? Because I'm only to here. So you can go to B and make it longer. You can hit to change. Longer, 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 the maximum. So that's, that's the maximum here. And there's a little bit of shadow here, you see, because of this shadow here. So it's okay. But you want to see the serosa. So you have to bring it this way. Yeah, you see? Now I see the serosa. And it's perfect. This shows it. So we go to this one alone. Rotate.
Perfect.
Yeah, and now it's perfect here. But let's see if we can highlight this area. So what we do, try to contrast and the brightness. Yeah, you see? And then you can mix here between the two. And you can try different things. HD life, surface, you know, I don't know, B-flow, HD life. Yeah? Yeah, and then you can edit the lights here. So you can, you see, you can do like this. Come from the back. Yeah?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Or you can come from the side. You see? Depending on which direction, the position of the light. And you can change the light. So you can put the back. And you see here when it says, where is the edit lights? Here, you see? So when you move this, it shows you where the light, you see, I come from here. No, then I come from here. Then I come from the back.
I see.
Yeah?
Okay.
Yeah. It's
Chưa đâu
beautiful.
hả? Dạ. Ok. Em ơi sao em đi khám vậy em?
Em bị đau bên đây nè.
Vậy hả? Kiểm tra phụ
nó
khoa
hay
hả?
đau lưng.
Tháng em có chưa vậy?
19 em mới có lần.
Vậy hả?
Nhưng mà nó hay ra tùm lum á.
Hả, trước 48 niêm mạc 13. Ra tùm lum hết hả? Nội mạc lúc nay là vậy là cái ngày 19 mới có hả?
Dạ. Nó đau lưng là nó ra dữ.
This one ovary here.
Yeah.
Mặc đồ chặt nó cũng ra nữa.
Yeah.
And here's
Sure,
the
we
other
normal.
ovaries. Yeah, normal. Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
will
So
look
it's a
like
normal uterus. Maybe we will find one with that normal.
Xong rồi
So
đúng
it's
không
easy,
chị?
no?